Hey guys, welcome back to Pixels and Python. This is part 2 of Python Dictionaries. In part 1, we learned how to create, access, add, and remove. Today we're going deeper. Let's get into it. You know how to create a dictionary? Now let's actually do some powerful things with it. Today we are covering looping through dictionaries and nested dictionaries. First, looping. Just like we can loop through a list, we can loop through a dictionary too. But dictionaries are special because we can loop through keys, values, or both at the same time. Three ways to loop through a dictionary. First, dot keys, which loops through all the keys. Second, dot values, which loop through all the values. And third, dot item, which loop through both keys and values at the same time. That last one is the most useful, honestly. Now, nested dictionaries. And this is where things get really interesting. A nested dictionary is simply a dictionary inside another dictionary. Sounds complicated, but it's actually very simple, and this is exactly how real world data is stored in actual Python projects. See all of this in action with a movie datasets. Okay, so I have a movie dictionary where I'm going to write title, Inception. You guys probably heard about it or maybe watched this movie. Director is Nolan, and then rating is 9.3. Okay, so our dictionary is done. Now let's do some cool things with it. So first I'm gonna run this and wait for it to successfully run. Okay, then I have now I'm gonna do first, let's loop through just the keys. Okay, so as we are learning about looping, so first let's loop through the keys and then we'll move towards the values. So for looping through keys, I write for key in movie dot keys. I write movie or movie, okay, dot keys, sorry, and then I write print keys, sorry, key, and it shows an error. What? Okay, so this is keys. Okay, there we go. Title, director, and the rating. Okay, so these are our keys: title, director, and rating, and there we go. We got all three. Now let's loop through value. For value, same structure. In movie dot values, I'm going to print value, and there we go. Inception, Nolan, and 9.3. Okay, now let's do the most powerful one. Dot item give us both keys and values at the same time. Now let's see how it works. For key, comma, value in movie dot item, and then we're going to print. Now let's write key, then we're going to give comma, then semicolon, so it will separate the key and the value, then again comma, and then we write value. And let's run this, and there we go. Title is our key, Inception is our value, director is our key, Nolan is our value, rating is our key, and 9.3 is our value. Okay, so now let's move on to another thing, that is nested dictionary. So now we're going to learn about nested dictionaries. Okay, so first I'm going to have a dictionary called movies. Now in this I'm going to put two movies. So first movie will be like this. I write movie by 1, and then I'm going to give colon, and then you're again going to give a curly bracket, and then you're going to write title, which is our Inception, and then we have, let's write rating. Okay, rating, which is 9.3. Okay, now what we're going to do after this curly bracket, we're going to give comma, and if you want to do an enter you can, or otherwise you can continue in this line. For what I like to do, I will just enter it so it looks clean. Then I'm going to write movie 2 then again colon, then I'm going to write title. Okay, wait, I write title. Okay. Title, and then now let's think of a movie. Let's say Interstellar. Okay, and it's then comma, and then we're going to write rating, which is going to be 9.5. Okay, now let's run this. So you see, I have a dictionary called movies. This is our first dictionary. Then inside this dictionary, we have another dictionary called movie 1 and then another one, movie 2. Okay. Now what we're going to do is going to access either one of the dictionaries from this inner one. So how we will do this? We're going to write print, and then I'm going to write movies, then square bracket, and then movie 1. Okay. Now I'm going to run this, and there we go. Title, inception, and rating 9.3, which is our movie number 1. To get a specific value, I change the keys like this. I write print. For example, I just want a title of movie 1 or either movie 2. I write movies, then I'm going to give square bracket, then movie 1, let's say, and then I am going to give another square bracket and write title, and we're going to print this, and we got inception. Now let's do the same for movie 2. So movies, then I'm going to write movie 2, and for this I'm going to write rating. So let's see the rating of movie number 2, which is 9.5. And that's Python Dictionaries Part 2 completely done. Subscribe and turn on notifications for more. Follow us on Instagram at Pixels and Python for daily Python content. So in the next one.